Hal! Hal! What's up, Hal? You saw us build the first any level lift that we took to Rick Ross's house that he tried to buy from us. Too much on the brain. Ride through Peachtree, swerving through. And you saw the second any level lift, the big huge black dually on the copper 28-inch JTX wheels. That was absolutely beautiful. But I've been keeping it a secret. We just finished our third any level lift and I really want to show you guys. We've been blessed enough over the last year or so to build 2 any level lifts, and I know that you guys have seen a little bit. I haven't talked about it too much in the videos, but we just finished our third any level lift. I haven't really talked about it too much. I've been keeping this one kind of under wraps just so I could pop up one day with a new any level lift on the channel, and it's so freaking cool to see the finished product. And I know there's not a lot of shops in the country that get to do something like this. There are a lot, but there aren't a lot, so I'm just blessed to be here and be a part of it, to be 100% honest with you. The whole truck.
They should have it wired up where you hold it down until it's done and let off. Hey, close the door.
You have to get both of them at the same time?
No, please not. Do the back or the front first. You can do it.
Both the front buttons.
There shouldn't be 2 front buttons.
There's 2 buttons on this side. I'm terrified.
Okay, this is up for the front, this is up for the back. Down for the front.
Okay, that makes sense.
The nitrous, I would definitely not push that.
Okay.
Because I don't know what's gonna happen.
I don't know, I don't want to break anything.
Already up. I would go down now.
Never mind. I don't like it.
You shaky?
That's freaking cool. Look, I'm just gonna throw this out there. This one's my favorite over the other ones. I'm just gonna throw it out there.
You think so?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. We did the white one on 30s. That one had a white lift kit. The black one is still sitting over here that we're swapping out a wheel today. Actually, let's throw this out here real quick. The black one's been sitting out here for quite some time now. We got a wheel for it now. That's all I'm gonna say. But the black one's gonna be back and moving today, which is nice. Brand new, nice JTX wheel. Just in case any of y'all have seen this in the background, I just expose ourselves real quick. This one's been sitting here for a little while. But we got this 2017, no, this was 21, isn't it? 21 F250?
Yeah.
It's a newer one. 21 F250, 26 by 14 KG1 Bounty. Shout out KG1, best wheel company in the nation. I'm just kidding. Hey, yeah, I like it. Hey, best tire in the nation too. We got the 42-inch Mcdonoughs. So these are the wheels and tires that came off the original any level lift. If any of you guys are fans of the channel, you remember that we were gonna put 2616s and these 42-inch Mcdonoughs on Stefan's, but we ended up putting 30s and 42s on them. And I really think that the black Bounties fit this truck perfectly. So I'm really happy that that kind of transition happened. I don't think these would have looked good on the white one, but they look freaking killer on this one.
I like them.
I really
I'm more
do
of a
love
chrome
this
wheel kind of guy, but they're all right. You know
love
what I'm
this truck. It's got a really nice, almost like a darker Nardo gray with a little bit of blue flake in the paint. Now it's super dusty. We haven't had it detailed yet. This truck literally just got finished today. So don't hate us in the comments for all the pollen and stuff that's on the truck. It just came out of the shop yesterday. We got the wheels and tires bolted onto it. But my favorite part about the truck, obviously, how's my lighting here? We good? Lighting's good. My favorite part about this truck, other than the fact that it's any level lift and it goes up and down, the powder coat color on this is my favorite powder coat color I've ever seen in my entire life. It's this really nice red. I think it's illusion red is what they called it, and it's got some kind of a flaky clear coat over it. And you won't be able to pick it up in the cinematics or in the videos, but there's so much flake in this, and I'm obsessed with this color. So my new lift kit, wheels and tires, are getting this. My Mcgaughys kit and my KG1s that are on the way. I said that in the last video, so I'm getting KG1s in case y'all are wondering. Is getting this red powder coat. It's my favorite color of all time. Illusion red with like a really flaky clear coat over it. It's freaking beautiful. That's my favorite part about this truck, and ultimately this color is why this is my favorite truck, 100%. So you got your red any level lift. I just showed you it goes up and down. At this point, there's a lot of people that have any level lifts, but how many people get to install them? I mean, we're probably one of maybe 20, 30 shops in the whole country, I feel like, that have done it. And now we've done 3, and we got 2 of them sitting here today. If Stefan pulled up, it would just, I mean, how many shops do you think in general have 3 any level lifts potentially, or even 2 sitting at their shop? There's probably only a couple. But something cool to add into the video today. I wanted to keep it a secret because we really hadn't filmed it or talked about it at all, but now we get to just pop up, voila, with a new any level lift at the shop. And he's local, so he'll be in and out of the shop a lot. Not in and out of the shop, but just through the shop a lot, so we'll get a lot of content. So definitely excited. New any level lift. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's my favorite one.
You ready to do thumbnails?
My favorite truck. Let's do a thumbnail. Let's get us a steezy old thumbnail for the day. I feel like the first time we did any level lift, I had so much more to say. But now since we've done a couple of them,
we're not the only ones anymore.
Yeah, we're not the only ones anymore. This is my favorite one of the 3. Stefan, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Jeremy, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Y'all got really nice trucks. But the red, the gray, and the black with this is just, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. That's beautiful. Perfect in my opinion. Yeah, how much money are you gonna take off my bill? I knew I was right about you. How much money are you gonna take off my bill for putting 1,000 miles on my truck? Hey, I'm gonna have to talk to Brandon. They put an extra 1,000 miles on your truck. I think you need a credit back for that. Look at that angle right there.
He's filming right now.
Did you hear him fart? Yeah. That's good. That's good content right there. Look how you're holding the camera.
Let me put my sunglasses on.
Like a cigarette, bro. Look at him.
Look, he's holding the camera like this.
Yeah. So tell your girl to watch out.
His fingers.
Oh, y'all already go get that phone.
Who freaking calls up here anymore?
How many cans have y'all crushed for the yet?
None.
You ever tried it?
But we don't play with customers' vehicles.
Shut up.
Hey, where would it crush a can at?
It's on Whistling Diesel.
Yeah, under the bump stop.
Here? Dog? Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta get you a can of Colt 45.
We could put a butt plug and put you under there.
Like a Yoo-hoo can?
Can we do it now? Put a can of full beer and just crush it. Just watch it go.
Well, you and Sam send us a video of that.
Yeah, you can do that with your any level lift. We're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it with yours.
These are some expensive ones.
There's all kinds, Sam.
I was gonna put pump and dump, but I didn't want to do that one.
Yeah. You can change it to whatever you want.
Those are massive tires.
42s, bro. I'm surprised this Ford can haul it.
15 5s.
Yeah, red color.
All right.
Done with the camera. In the back. You did it at both at the same time. You can do it. Handle it down. Yeah. Back to see when you get home. Just get over it. No, you're gonna hide it. There you go. He's like a kid.
There she goes, off into the world.
What's for lunch? I've been doing the knock knock joke, waiting for you to walk into one for about 6 months now, and that was my reply. He's nuts.
I figured. I mean, I got you pretty good with one yesterday, so I felt like it was only right. It was in front of people too. I kind of felt bad.
Yeah, you kind of got me with an old classic. Threw me under the bus.
That was a good one yesterday. I've been talking about this on the channel for a couple weeks, so I wanted to finally I got a Mcgaughys kit. I mean, I felt like that was kind of gonna be obvious. I love Mcgaughys, my favorite lift kit above all of them. I love a lot of lift kits. There's a lot of nice lift kits out there, but I'm sure what I choose to put on my truck speaks volumes about the quality of the product. It will not stay black. It's gonna get red. It'll be red at some point. Red. The main reason that I brought you guys here is I was watching an old video of me the other day, and I had put a lift kit on the counter, and having the lift kit on the counter just looked really nice, to be honest. So I wanted to put another lift kit on the counter, and I said, well, hell, I got my lift kit here now. Might as well throw it on the counter, make it look all nice and pretty. And Jake always does a fantastic job of holding the camera for me. They did send me, I have the front compression bar billet faceplates that ultimately will probably get powder coated red as well. And I kind of want y'all's opinion, which is kind of why I'm filming this. Should we leave them black and silver like this? Or should I get them to powder coat the black red and leave the silver on the outside? I'm not gonna do it all red because obviously then you'll have no accent, but I'm kind of thinking about seeing if they'll powder coat just the red on the outside.
I'll give you 300 bucks for it.
Instead of the black. Absolutely not. I'm also gonna leave the chrome here and do the red color. So let me know about the red on these. These are for the side compression struts.
Did they send the front?
They did send the front one as well. So it will match, yes. The one question I do have is, I've seen a lot of my body style that the front bars don't have these billet accent pieces. I didn't take that out of the box, so I don't know 100%. Moving along, they sent me all kinds of cool stuff with it. Upper ball joint caps. We got a new set of control arms with it as well. So I'm probably gonna do these, and like you could powder coat them chrome to kind of match the accent pieces, and then do these red, that illusion red with a lot of flake in it. So Jake was joking about, you know, me sitting here and talking about oh, I've been waiting to do this for 4 or 5 years, but I mean that's kind of the truth. I mean, I feel like I've been talking about doing this for 3 or 4 years now, and it's finally getting to a point where I'm about to pull the trigger and do it, because the lift kit's here and my wheels shipped today. They'll be here next week. So we got new lift kit, wheels and tires going on the truck. So I feel like I've been talking about it for like 2 or 3 weeks, and I just never showed you guys. So shout out to Mcgaughys. The last thing I will say about it before we end the video off today is the lift kit that's coming off my truck over here. We can just look through the window. The lift kit that's coming off the truck is the same exact 9-inch Mcgaughys lift, but I'm gonna take that one off. It's gonna get new hardware, new bushings, new struts, anything wearable, and I'm gonna give it away re-powder coated to one of you that watches the channel. So this will not be a paid giveaway, it will be a free giveaway. You will get the control arms with it. You'll get all of the accessories. You will get a set of rear blocks and U-bolts. You'll get everything that you need just like you had bought it from Mcgaughys. So I'm not a big fan of giveaways, but after talking to the people over at Mcgaughys, I just felt like it would be something cool for us to do, because I got a lift kit. You guys are gonna get a lift kit. So when this is done, said and done, the lift kit's on, I'm gonna take this one off, re-powder coat it, new bushings, new wearable parts, struts, shocks, all that stuff, and it'll probably be powder coated black. So you guys will get a chance to win a free lift kit, and literally all you'll have to do is put in your information, no purchase necessary, and then somebody will win a free lift kit. And I'm hoping that you guys bring it to us at the shop, so then we can film building your truck with the lift kit. So I love you guys. It's my new lift kit, new any level lift. Dreams come true, that's all I'm gonna say. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.